a company that has established the technical standards of the plumbing industry in South Korea. SungKwang Bend has been a specialized manufacturer, focusing solely on pipe fittings for over 60 years since its establishment in 1963. Located in the Busan-Noksan National Industrial Complex, SungKwang Bend has positioned itself as a key supplier of butt welding pipe fittings in the domestic industrial infrastructure and has now grown into a world-class manufacturer, executing global projects, from shipbuilding, power generation, nuclear energy, refining and petrochemicals, to marine plants and LNG projects. SungKwang Bend's products ensure the reliability of piping systems in high-pressure, high-temperature, and cryogenic environments required in advanced industrial sites. The competitiveness of SungKwang Bend starts from a clear technological foundation. We possess manufacturing capabilities for large-diameter pipe fittings that can accommodate sizes from inch to a maximum of 120 inches, reliably implementing high alloy materials, including carbon steel, stainless steel, alloy steel, duplex, and superduplex. Our precision molding technology, process design, considering weld quality and systematic heat treatment management capabilities, have been verified to sufficiently meet the standards of nuclear power, LNG, and high-pressure plants. Additionally, SungKwang Bend has proven its quality reliability through experience in executing international projects, in major global energy projects such as the Shell FLNG project, Gorgon and Wheatstone LNG, and the Sadara petrochemical project. SungKwang Bend's pipe fittings are applied as key piping materials, even under complex international standards requirements such as large diameter, high alloy, and ASME, KEPIC, and PED. SungKwang Bend has maintained stable quality and delivery times. At the center of this competitiveness is a one-stop production system. We manage all processes in-house, from raw material, receipt and inspection, to cutting, forming, welding, heat treatment, non-destructive testing, final inspection, and shipping, minimizing quality risks. Numerous patented technologies and international certifications, such as KS, ASME, ISO, and KEPIC, officially support the quality system of SungKwang Bend. In 2007, achieving $100 million in exports and being selected as a world-class product and hidden champion shows that SungKwang Bend's technological competitiveness is objectively recognized in the global market. SungKwang Bend is building long-term technological competitiveness through transparent management, ethical management, and continuous investment in facilities and R&D. SungKwang Bend, a specialized manufacturer of pipe fittings representing South Korea, has established the standard for industrial infrastructure by designing the safety and reliability of piping systems